I have a Hotpoint aqualtis condenser dryer. It came up with an FO4 error. It runs for 15 minutes or so and then errors again. I replaced the pump and the pump switch, but still the same issue.
Are you getting any error codes or messages from your Hotpoint dryer? How old is it?
It's about 5 years old. Have already replaced shaft and bearing as well as jockey wheel a few months back successfully.
How long has this been going on with your Hotpoint dryer? What have you tried so far?
Ongoing for 2 days now. Replaced parts tonight but same error. That is all I have tried.
Is there anything else the appliance expert should know before I connect you? Rest assured that they'll be able to help you.
No.
Hi, I'm Daniel. Welcome to Just Answer. Sorry to hear you are having trouble with your dryer. Let's see if I can help you on this. FO4 error code is a heating fault. The rear NTC sensor probe at the back isn't detecting a rise in temperature. What you need to do is remove the heater cover on the back of the dryer, and there on top of the heater are the thermostats. You need to test these and see if one is faulty. If so, then the thermostat kit will need to be replaced. So check that and see what you find, as the FO4 is a heating fault. Regards.
Thanks, Daniel. How do I test the thermostat? Can you provide a process PLS? I'm not that savvy. Hotpoint manual said FO4 was a pump issue, hence why I replaced those components first.
To test the thermostat, you need a multimeter as test for a circuit between the tags. Or if you don't have a meter, then tap the underside of the thermostats, as they should rattle. If one of them doesn't rattle, then it's faulty. Not sure which manual you have that says the error codes, but normally the error code is the heating issue. If you can post the model number, I can double check it for you.
Thanks, Daniel. Don't have a multimeter, so we'll test for the rattle. Model is Act 9BF7E1, UK.
Just test for the rattle and see what you find. And I've just checked this model, and the FO4 is a heater-related fault and not a pump issue.
Google failed me. It mentioned FO4 was the pump. Checking for rattle and have ordered a multimeter for next time. Do you have a URL for the manual PLS?
The joys of Google, sometimes it can give the wrong information. I'm afraid the service manuals are read-only manuals on a database, so I'm unable to copy it and share it, as it's all kept in-house, I'm afraid.
Okay, there are 2 in there and they both rattle. But I did spot one of the elements looks disconnected, see image with yellow circle.
Sorry for the delay in getting back to you. Looking at the heater wire, that looks fine, as that's how they are attached. But looking at the thermostats, I can see the bottom of the center one looks like it bulge out. You may not see it, but I know what to look for. So looking at the thermostats, it looks like the thermostat has tripped out. As you don't have a multimeter, then it's a case of replacing the thermostat kit, and that should cure it from there for you.
Thank you very much, Daniel. I'll replace and see how it goes.
You're welcome.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.